G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. I am back from the shops. We checked out the Pokemon vending machine today. I picked up a pack of Silver Tempers from there, and I also got this card here. I wonder if you could all guess what I got. Yes, I bought it, the Charizard promo card. Very nice. You notice right up there. Is it Pencil? Is that right?
Yep.
Yep. With Charizard asleep after wrecking the forest. Alright. Let's see what we get. That's for you. I'm feeling water.
Fire.
Oh, I got it. Are we going to get anything cool? That card's cool. First time I pulled it. Alright, he's a legendary, eh?
Yeah.
Alright. Luckily I have a backup pack. I think I got this from Kmart. So Brilliant Stars. Rub the Chars on there. Alright. Hopefully that brings us some luck. Oh, hello. I'm feeling fire on this one.
Feeling fighting.
Alright. Let's move all this stuff out of the way. Water again. Okay. Remember guys, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Alright, what are we going to get? This is Brilliant Stars. Oh, we got something. Oh, damn!
Galarian Articuno V.
And it's a gold one too. Wow. Alright. It's not the Charizard, but I'll take it. Remember guys, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on tomorrow's video. Bye!